How to recover TikTok account. Now, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. Now, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, then please do let me know in the comments. So over here, you can actually sign up for TikTok, or you can actually log in. Now, you can choose whichever platform you have used. So if you cannot log in, or you have to recover your TikTok account and you have connected your TikTok account via Facebook, Apple, Google, Twitter, or Instagram, then you probably have to do something with, for example, your Google account. Now, if you clicked on the top where it says use phone or just your email/username, and you would like to log in, but you cannot, of course, because you need to recover your account. And what you can actually do is click on this question mark on the top right corner. Then right over here, you can actually click on recover your account at the top. And once you click on there, here you have to select any of these options. So first, I can actually select an account at the top, for example, or when it says don't see your account, look up your account using any of these methods. So your TikTok username, your phone number, email, or even via Instagram. So you can try any of these methods. So let's say you would use your email. Then you could enter your email address and then click next, for example. Then you'll just have to do this real quick, the verification. And then here you will actually need to verify that it's you. So I can actually click on my email right over here, but let's say you don't have access to your email anymore. Then you can also click on need help. And then here you can send them a message that you can actually not access your email anymore. And if there's any other way to actually do this. So you can do that, or you can simply click on email and then it will ask you to log in anyways. But you can, for example, click on forgot password. So that is kind of it. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you next time.